Today, we're going to talk about what no company wants to discuss, customer complaints. We got a complaint. We're going to tell you all about it right now. Here's what happened. We drove to a client. We took care of the clients. Then I got an email. They were not happy because they did not realize that we charge for drive time. I was a bit surprised because I've never gotten this complaint before. It's pretty standard in all of the service industry, whether it's an electrician, a plumber, or of course, security technicians. You charge for all the time, from the time you're driving there, the time you're on site, if you have to leave to go grab a part from Home Depot, all that time gets charged to the client because that's part of the service that's being provided is taking all of our expertise to their location. You wouldn't charge for drive time if you were some sort of office worker. Right? We're not charging for the time that office workers drive to our own office and then service the client remotely or something, but we do charge for technicians. And the thing is that technicians are required to have certain things, right? The driver's license, clean driving record, and they have to operate a company vehicle with many thousands of dollars worth of tools. And so all of that is sort of like a mobile office that goes to the client. So when they're sort of like leasing all of that, they're going to pay for that.
The thing is, it's not like we're doing a consistent, like, just driving 30 minutes to somewhere. You know, we could be driving 2, 3, whatever hours to a customer's location. All the wear and tear on the vehicle, the gas, the maintenance, all that goes into it. But additionally, you want to be able to pay your technician because they're driving to wherever the customer is as well. So you don't want them to just have to spend that first 3 hours of their day not getting paid.
That is a good point.
Yeah.
Because the technicians, unlike an office worker, they get paid for all of their time. For a second they will step out of their home into their work van, they're getting paid.
Because that is their office. That is
exactly.
their work. Yeah.
So they're getting paid. So that's when the clock starts, both for the client and also for the technician. Unlike office workers where they leave and however long it takes them to get to the office, that's on them and where they live.
Right.
Now you know.
Yeah.
If you didn't know how the service industry works, you get charged for all the time.
A lot of companies will have like a 2-hour travel minimum or like just like a travel fee that even if you're 30 minutes away, they still charge like $175, $200, whatever it is. We don't do that because that doesn't apply to everybody. So it's not really fair for everyone to just pay one lump sum travel fee. So you just kind of, you have, based on where you are, you kind of pay for it that way. But
that is true. And
make no mistake, every company is building it into their cost somewhere because it costs every company that runs service vehicles money to get to you.
That is one area where we really do break apart from the pack.
Yeah.
Because everybody is going to charge for all the time. Most companies also charge usually a 2 or 4 hour minimum. They also charge, as you said, it's either going to be called a travel fee or a truck fee or a service fee. It's going to be some fixed fee on top of the hourly.
Right.
And there's going to be a minimum hourly, like I said, 2 hours, 4 hours, something like that. And on top of that, they're also going to have a fixed $75, $100 fee. We don't charge that fixed fee. We just charge per hour to keep it very simple. And our hourly rate is very competitive. And in fact, it's much lower than all the other companies in our area. Customers do get a very good deal with us. I think if the customer had understood how this all worked, they would have been more appreciative of the service they provided because the work that was done, I was surprised how fast that work got done in the first place. That comes with experience. When you have a technician with 15 years of experience, they figure out the problem very quickly. And then second, since we don't charge for that extra fee and our rates are already lower than a lot of the companies in this area, the customer got a very good deal going forward. I hope they better know. Oh, they're going to be charged for all that time. Better believe it. All right. Well, now they know. Now you know. And as always, if you enjoyed this episode, please get a big old thumbs up so that we know, but also share it so your friends know. Bye everybody.
You're going to do the big thumb in every video?